Hello, ma'am and sir. Good evening. I am Divine Grace Oladesma, 24 years of age. I live in Matanao, Davao del Sur, Philippines. I have two kids, one boy, 6 years old, one girl, 8 years old. I have three brothers and one sister. I am the youngest of the family. I've been working before here in the Philippines, taking good care of the kids, one newborn baby, and 4 years old. I do laundry, cooking, shopping, and cleaning the house. My present work is I am a housekeeper here, one of the hospital here in the Philippines. Sometimes I do assist the nurse taking a vital sign of the patient, removing the catheter, and remove the IV or the dextrose. I hope, ma'am, sir, you like me because I am friendly, trustworthy, and hardworking and willing to learn. I hope I can work to your family for how many years as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.